Hey everybody, Chad and Scott with the Knowles Wolsey team, Remax Hallmark. Jay, welcome to 1 Surrey Drive in Barrie's northeast end. There's a real shortage of bungalows in the city of Barrie right now. You're gonna love this one.
That's right, guys. Let's talk about the northeast end location here. It's such a popular spot, and there's no wonder why. On one side of us, we had the Barrie Country Club in Little Lake. Then in behind us, we got North Barrie Crossings. Let's unpack that location for a minute. Grocery stores, pharmacies, a movie theater, 10 plus restaurants over there, not to mention some fantastic watering holes. You might never use your kitchen again. Let's get inside and have a look.
We're back inside here. Great square footage. You have that 3 bedrooms up, you have 2 baths, you have main floor laundry, not to mention a level of finish I'm certain you're gonna love.
You're gonna love the level of finish, but you're also gonna love this eat-in kitchen. There's a ton of cabinetry and counter space, updated stainless steel appliances with a gas range. You got a bonus pantry in behind. On one side of us, you got the formal dining room. On the other side, you got to walk out to the barbecue deck. The beauty of above grade bungalows, guys, is all the space you have upstairs, you have down in the basement again. Check out the size of this rec room. You also get huge above grade windows. There's so much natural light down here. Ideal spot for the bar, ideal spot to entertain. Check out your gorgeous gas fireplace. You got a beautiful beam mantle, not to mention tons of room for the games.
Absolutely, Scotty. You know we love entertaining. What do you need for entertaining? You need a bedroom, and you even have a roughed-in bathroom. It's already paint and drywalled. You just need your finishes.
Chat, stop messing around. We're live.
Oh, sorry about that. Guys, if you love the house inside, you're gonna love the one outside for the kids as well. You're also gonna love this 148 by 50 lot.
That's right, guys. There's so much room back here, so much potential. Gorgeous fireplace already set up, or if you got grander plans to drop a pool back here, it's gonna work perfectly. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.